Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Today is July 6, 2021, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, we're watching oil climbing to new record highs after OPEC mentions they're not going to increase output. Now looking at the major economic events of the day out of the United States at 4 p.m. South African time, ISM Services PMI number coming out. That's an inflationary number. You do want to know what's coming out. Now, looking at the various markets, the euro remaining weak versus the USD, we're seeing just a major move right now. And looking at the indices, the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones both tapering off. And as we look at commodities, oil pushes to new highs, while gold actually continues to strengthen, is trading above 1800. Now looking at the stocks, as mentioned before, the markets were closed yesterday in the United States in observance of July 4th. So we're going to take a look at Microsoft. And lastly, Bitcoin still range-bound trading. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. We're going to take a look here at the Euro USD at a 1-hour chart. And as mentioned, we see this massive move downwards. Now, this is really range-bound trading. It's a 60-pip move and really hard to anticipate as this type of move actually accelerates, because it's really just a nosedive, right? But altogether, we've been trading with this weakness, okay, as this has shown us further weakness on the downside as the dollar is getting stronger. Now, looking at the Aussie USD, also taking a little bit of a correction here, although that the Aussie did get stronger versus the USD. If we look at a 4-hour chart, that's a significant strength of the Aussie dollar versus the USD. Lastly, looking at the GBP USD, also making a little bit of a retracement here. But again, we are trading in the summer, so I don't, I'm not reading too much into this. Choppy trading, lack of follow through, that type of stuff. And like looking right now at the commodities, gold trading at 1806, above that 1800-ish level after hitting that double bottom at 1760. Now looking at oil, also trading at $76, even though we're tapering off here, but it did hit 76.90. We haven't been in this area in almost 2 years, guys. So this is still a bona fide upwards trend, okay, even though it's correcting right here. Now looking at the Dow Jones, tapering off here at 34,600, 500-ish level right now. With that said, okay, let's see what the markets do today. Or are they just, selling them off before the markets open? Now, looking at the NASDAQ, also tapering off just a little bit, but really on its highs, okay, showing some more strength there. And let's see if Microsoft continues. And this is Microsoft. Let's see if this continues its orbital moves. I mean, this is, it's really unbelievable, okay? Looking at Amazon also on its highs, and Facebook also on its highs. So we'll see if there's going to be a rotation today to see perhaps one of the other symbols are going to take it higher. Now looking lastly at Bitcoin, okay, trading really in a tight range, almost untradeable, okay? But if you're trading the bottom of it and the the upper range of it, okay, you could make some bucks during the day. So just be aware of that. Coming back from July 4th weekend, I don't imagine the market's going to be so volatile, but you never know, okay? So you do want to keep an eye on all these things. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.